Yes, greetings, greetings, greetings. It's a joy to be back on home turf. This is the place where I grew up playing ball, right on the Bellevue playing grounds. Yeah, man, taking it back, way back.
Hello, world, and welcome to another exciting episode of Life After Deportation and Elevation with yours truly, Eddie Bellis. Today, we shall be delving into my love for the game of football, which all started right where I'm standing in this clip. Yep, that's the Bellevue playing field. I remember clearly playing for Positive Youth United Sports Club. I got to shout out Trevor, aka IB, who was the headmaster of that club back then. Then, shortly after being selected to play as a striker alongside Krishna Polio for the Viewfort North Under 16 squad.
Yeah, so tonight we're celebrating the youth of Viewfort North.
So yeah, family, this was a wonderful night, a wonderful event. This event took place at the Bellevue Multipurpose Center. It was an appreciation banquet that was curated by Coach Dwayne along with the Viewfort North Youth and Sports Council, just to show their appreciation and their love for the growth and the development of the footballers of Viewfort North, both young, old, veterans. Yes.
Take my hand, show me how to dance for me round like whoa. Is this the season? Feels like it could be.
Everybody to the Viewfort North Football League End of Summer Banquet under the theme Unity, Strength and Progress for a Better Future.
Football doesn't build character, it reveals character. Merv Levy. This could serve the purpose for this most needed event tonight, to show appreciation to our most deserving footballers.
Football isn't just a game, it's a teacher. It teaches discipline, teamwork, perseverance, and focus. It teaches you that sometimes you fall, but you always get back up.
As president of the Saint Lucia Football Association, I want to encourage every single adult to get involved in Viewfort North football, and by extension, the Saint Lucia Football Association and National Football.
Football Union, am I correct? Caribbean Football Union. Also president of the Saint Lucia Football Association, and for those who do not follow sports and football very closely, to have a gentleman like this sitting with us at Bellevue is a very great honor. He's a very important man in the Caribbean and in the world of football. So let's give him a round of applause. I also want to recognize Mr. Dwayne Edward. And you know Mr. Dwayne Edward has a very long history in sports administration, coaching, and so on in Viewfort North, and he continues to soldier on. I wish to recognize the president of the Youth and Sports Council, and Ms. Sudat, and to thank her and her entire team for what they've done with the Youth and Sports Council over the last 2 months. They have certainly brought back activity in the Youth and Sports Council, and I wish to continue to encourage them. As President Cooper said, it's everybody who has to come together to make things happen and to cause things to happen in the community.
A film that says unity, strength, and progress for a better future. It is fitting for that occasion. It is fitting for that season, that moment we're living in, because we need to understand a unified community is a community that will go forward and achieve anything.
No need for the stressing. I'm counting all my blessings. My moment is finally here. This is my time. So I'm gonna ride.
So after such a wonderful banquet, the guys were all set to get back on the field to go up against Babonneau. Yeah, match day today, fellas. Yeah, outside, but no. 3 points. We took the 3 points. Family, this fella right here, let me tell you, man. So many games playing for icicles in the hot sun. If you know, you know. You good? That's how we vlogging, of course. What you say? 1-1 today, you know. Fats. You good? Yes, I. Coach Krishna, what's the predictions for today? 3-0 in favor of us. All right. You heard it here. Last time his predictions was accurate. So with that sound, you know that the game is officially about to commence. The players are lining up, and they're going to go in the middle of the field, sing the national anthem, and we off to the races. So yeah, family, just a little fun fact for you. Or matter of fact, before I go to the fun fact, I got a little quiz for you. If the blue and white team is V4 North and the black team is Babano, who do you think I'm rooting for? And also, who do you think will become triumphant in this game? Good one, family. By the time you might be watching this, you already guessed and figured it right. Yeah, but let me share a little fun fact with you, family. The Saint Lucian Football Association is the governing body of football in Saint Lucia, and they're the ones that are organizing this tournament. Which is actually a Division 2 tournament. The goal is so that the teams can advance to the top of the table, and the best 2 teams, they move on to Division 1 league where the players can be paid. So yeah, family, another fun fact for you. The Saint Lucia FA was founded in 1979, the same year the country gained its independence, and is headquartered in Castries, the nation's capital. It runs the Saint Lucia men's and women's junior and senior national teams, as well as its domestic football competition. What a wonderful cross from the left back onto the right flank of the field. Fat Boys is in possession. He dribbles one and takes a shot, fires, misses, keeper saves. What a close opportunity. Fat Boy will be taking the corner, hoping that he can redeem himself. Let's see if he can get some redemption. Crosses the ball into the box. Hey, brilliant goal from the white winger. He fought off one up.